Hello guys, welcome to this lecture. This is sixth part of CSS. In this part, we are going to see float and inline block property. Float property is used for positioning and formatting content. Example, let an image float left to the text in container. The float property can have one of the following values: left, right, none, and inherit. Left, the element float to the left of its container. Right, the element floats to the right of its container. None, element does not float, will be displayed just where it appears in the text. This is default. And inherit, the element inherits the float value of its parent. Now we see the inline block properties. Display inline block value compared to display inline. The major difference is that the display inline block allows to set a width and height of the element. And also with the display inline block, the top and the bottom margin and padding are respected. But with the display inline, they are not. Compared to display block, the major difference is that display inline block does not add a line break after the element. So the element can sit next to other element that we are seeing in Visual Studio Code editor. Now we see first here float property. For that, first we have to create a paragraph lorem 30 words. Inside this paragraph tag, we have to add one image height 100 pixel and save this. Now we have to give a style to this paragraph tag. Border 1 pixel solid red. Now we have to give a style to the image. Border 2 pixel solid blue. Float property. Float right. Image goes to right hand side. But the image come out of the paragraph tag. For that, if we want this image inside the paragraph box, for that we have to write in paragraph tag, that is overflow auto. Also we can move this image to right hand side by writing the float left. Now we see the float clear property. For that, we have to create a one div, that is div box with a class name box1, and also below that there will be the box2. Now we save this and we give a style to this box1 border 1 pixel solid red. Now we give a border to the box2, border 1 pixel solid blue. Now first we write a float left, and here we have to write clear left. Yes, that is the change that we want. This is about the float and clear property. This is all about for this lecture. Thank you for this lecture.